I have received an unusual package. So I moved this in the garage because I'm pretty sure that the guy doing our neighbor's lawn is going to be blowing the clippings around for probably another 2.5 hours because he's already been here for like the whole morning. So, but he's getting closer, so I guess I'll just have to wait. So this obviously doesn't really align with what it sounds like the title of the thumbnail is, but I promise you, I'm not trolling. This is probably the weirdest electric vehicle that I think I could have gotten, so we might as well just dive into it, see what it is, yeah? Check it out, you see what it is. It's from Evolve Skateboards. As you can clearly see printed, this is the GTR. So I've been sitting on this purchase for a while. I really wanted one, but this is obviously, its secret's out. It's an Evolve skateboard, an e-board, if you will. This is the Bamboo GTR series, and this is the street version. Word? That's pretty wild. Let's see what we got here. Yo. This is wild, dog. All right, so let's get a closer look at it right here. So you got your diagram of your Evolve board here. You can see everything that is gonna be on this diagram. You got your legend there, and there's your remote, which we'll be unboxing very shortly. But this is it. And this looks a hell of a lot cooler in person. But I gotta take this thing out of the box. So I'm gonna get to riding this thing. So we got the board out the box here. It looks pretty wicked. Inside looks like we still got, I'm gonna assume that this would be our Evolve controller. Oh, stickers. I'm a sucker for stickers, so thank you for that. So we got our tool here, our tool for our trucks. Got little instructions, we'll get to that in a little bit. Assume that this here is probably the remote. Looks like we got a battery charger here, as well as a charging cord. So yeah, let's look in here, see what we got. Yeah, I was right. This is definitely the remote. So there we go. Little pistol grip action in there. So yeah, this is an electric board. We'll get the tool out of the way. As you can see under it, this thing is heavy. And there's your battery pack, so might as well do one of these little numbers right here. You guys listening? Yeah. And almost. So for anybody who's wondering what the hell this actually is, if you don't know, you can look them up. This is an Evolve skateboard, and this, as I said before, is the Bamboo GTR series. So the Evolve boards are obviously e-boards or electric boards that make skateboards. This is a long board, however you want to talk it, e-boards, electric boards, however you want to say it. This is what Evolve specializes in. So the GTR is pretty much like their top of the line series, I guess you could call it. Obviously, anything with the name GTR sounds very top of the line to me anyway. So the GTR, they make it in carbon and they make it in bamboo. The carbon is obviously a little bit pricier because it's full carbon fiber, but this being the bamboo, I figured it was the best sort of, I guess you could call it, daily driver. So I went with the Bamboo GTR series. So again, obviously, you can learn a lot more about Evolve if you just go on their site. Look, they even got a Christmas sale. So if y'all want an Evolve board, go ahead and probably check out a Christmas sale they got going on. So here you go. So this is the Evolve website. You can check out pretty much, oh, by the way, you like that? That's the new 12 Pro Max. I'm giving this a whirl, and so far I'm really liking it. So Evolve, obviously they've been featured in a ton of stuff. Obviously you just saw Wall Street Journal, TechCrunch, Gizmag, Wired. So they've been all over the place. But let's go ahead and let's get some stats on the board here. So here's just a quick look at the specs. So it can go up to 24 miles an hour, can get up to a 31-mile range, and can hit hills up to a 30% incline. The rest of the stuff, If you want to check it out, go to evolveskateboards.com. I am not sponsored by Evolve in any way. I just really wanted to try this thing out, and I figured it'd be something fun to do on the weekends. And hell, you know, maybe we'll get into some, maybe we can incorporate it for some filming down the road. Let's see. So that is the Evolve board in an unboxing. I think it's about time that we actually go and ride it, yeah? I'm gonna try not to embarrass myself too much, but I don't know, we'll see. This is pretty daunting. As I just stood on it before I put it up, it's pretty daunting. So let's see what we can, if we can figure out how to turn this thing on, yeah? Also, kids, safety first. You don't wanna forget that. So make sure you're safe too. Let's check out this remote here. So it says that, well, you know, let me move my helmet right here. It says you have to pair it one time. Now granted, I know that technically I should charge the battery first and make sure it's all fully charged, but I'm a little too excited, and I'm pretty sure everyone else who gets these is excited as well. So we're gonna try it out here. We're gonna see if it pairs immediately. So the power button for the controller is here, and I think on the board on one of these sides there's a power button. Look at that, there's a power button right there. So let's see, let's turn this on. Ooh, that started up right away. Now let's turn, so I think we gotta hold this for a second. That's blue there. Okay, so stupid me, we were paired the whole time, so now we gotta test acceleration. So I'm gonna pick this up off the ground here. Yep, there you go. Those wheels is turning. So, all right, well, let's hope I don't die. All right, so the inaugural first ride here, I'm pretty sure that I'm in limp mode because I'm not going very fast. I think I'm going 4 miles per hour. So yeah, it's a little awkward for me, but I think I'm probably gonna put it in like its other mode to go just a little bit faster, like eco mode, so I get a little bit more. But there you go. There's the wife on her board. Now I haven't ridden a board in about like, oh, I don't know, 4-ish, 5-ish years maybe. And this isn't too bad once you get used to it, honestly. Gotta get my wheel position, or my leg position down right. But I mean, it's not too bad. I'm in eco mode now. I was in the limp mode before, so I switched it off because I was only going like 4 miles an hour. But how fast am I going right now? Going about 10 miles an hour. And controller works fine. Everything is like, I mean, this is just nice. It's fun, definitely. Like, I'm definitely not ready for, you know, whatever Pro or GTR mode yet, but I mean, I think I've just kicked it up to 13 miles an hour, so, but yeah, 28 miles an hour, I don't know if my little legs is ready for that, so, but yeah, not a bad little adult toy, if you ask me. So, Evolve Bamboo GTR Street. Worth it? I mean, I would say if you got the money to do it and you want to do something a little bit more unique, like, yeah, it's definitely worth it. This is, like, I underestimate. I probably haven't really skateboarded. I never longboarded before in my life. I probably haven't skateboarded in maybe like, probably like 9 or 10 years. And this is like, getting on this thing was just like, was like riding a bike, basically. It was, I didn't really forget. So I would definitely say that, like I said, if you've got the means to do it, I think it's worth it, because this is, I'm definitely gonna be doing this a lot from now on. So I cut y'all right before the inevitable moment. Bam. We got it. Well, I mean, kind of feel like that's a rite of passage, if you will, when you start with the I guess any board, really, but still doesn't change my mind. I think if you've got the means and like I said, you want to do something a little bit more unique, I think it's worth it. I didn't stop after my little spill. Like, we kept going. I wanted to try to get my stance back, because like I said, it's been about 9-10 years since I boarded, so yeah, it's but it was hella fun. I think it was a successful ride. Obviously, you come away with a little battle scars, a little something, come away with a little bit of that, a little bit of that. I think it's worth it, yeah. So, yeah, more to come on the Bamboo GTR, because I'm definitely gonna be using this thing a lot more now, because this is tons of fun. So, but gotta stay safe on it too. So, but anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm gonna go put this on a charger, so I'm probably gonna take it out tomorrow, do a little bit more carving, maybe receive a couple more boo-boos, if you will. But I'll catch you on the next one. Take care, YouTube.